So this is step 5 of our action research project. Our action research question is, how can SLPs and classroom teachers increase instances of social interactions, requesting behaviors, independent comments, and answering questions in nonverbal children with autism spectrum disorder? Materials and preparation. So the duration would be 2 months, which is 8 weeks. Materials include speech generating device, manual sign, and a picture exchange communication system. Children will be presented with all 3 types of AAC, so they may choose their preferred method. Once the method or device has been chosen by the child, training will take place for 4 to 6 weeks prior to data collection. Data collection methods. For each activity, team members and caregivers will be provided with a checklist to record the frequency of communicative attempts and interactions. Checklist will include prompt level used to elicit response, frequency of responses, type of response, yes, no, independent thought, guided response. Cycle 1. The duration will be 2 months. Target: answering questions during story time. Data collectors: paraprofessionals, classroom teachers, and SLPs. Data collection. The team will record the frequency in which the child answers both direct and indirect questions during structured activity. A minimum of 10 communicative opportunities will be provided daily. Cycle 2. The duration will be 2 months. We'll target answering questions during playtime. The data collectors include paraeducators, classroom teachers, and SLPs. Data collectors: the team will record the frequency in which the child answers both direct and indirect questions during the unstructured activity. A minimum of 10 communicative responses will be provided daily. And cycle 3 will also be 2 months, and it will target answering questions during meal times and at home. So the data collectors would include paraeducators, classroom teachers, SLPs, and parents and caregivers. The team will record the frequency in which the child answers both direct and indirect questions during unstructured activities such as mealtimes. During this cycle, a minimum of 10 communicative opportunities will be provided daily. Data analysis. Checklists will be collected from all participating team members bi-weekly. Frequency of both prompted and unprompted responses will be tallied and recorded on a bar graph for each cycle. Once all cycles have been completed, researchers will examine the difference between structured and unstructured activities.